Good day guys, and welcome here to a new video on my channel.
Please be aware that the next stop is Chayamachi.
So today we are driving from Hiroshima to Shodoshima, and on our way to Shodoshima we are visiting Naoshima. They are both islands in the Seto Inland Sea. So we just took the Shinkansen and another little local train here to Chayamachi, from where we are going with another train to the ferry port. From the ferry port we are going with a ferry to Naoshima, which is located in the Seto Inland Sea, as I said before. Naoshima Island is known for its many contemporary art museums. For example, the Chichu Art Museum houses a number of site-specific installations by James Turrell, Walter de Maria, and paintings by Claude Monet. So we just came from the ferry right here, and now we're on the bike. It is so hard to film here because it's so steep. It always goes up and down and up and down. We did some takes earlier for you, but now it's so steep we must keep our hands on the steering wheel. So I haven't really said where we are going, but we are going to the Bines art site in Naoshima, and there are just 1.5 kilometers left. So let's do them, even if it's hot and goes up and down. So let's go. Go, go, go! Another hill! Alright, we made it. Now it's really flat, but let's see if there's another hill. There is a car coming. So after a sweaty up and down, we finally arrived at the museum, which is right behind me, and we are going now inside and hoping that we have an air conditioner because it's so hot. We literally have 35 degrees, and just let's go inside. That's good. So as I said, we are going now to the museum, and this is the Chichu Art Museum, and it is a museum built directly into a southern portion of the island of Naoshima in the Kagawa prefecture. It was designed by the architect Tado Ando and opened to the public on July 18, 2004. The site features permanent installations by Walter de Maria and James Turrell, as well as painted works in the Water Lily series by Claude Monet. Alright, so we just got out of the museum and we saw some artwork. It was pretty okay, and now we are continuing our way from Naoshima to Shodoshima.
here's the next artwork. Hello!
Hello! Pretty awesome. We were on our way back from the museum to the port and we found this nice artwork. Very cool. A few minutes ago we were at that artwork directly there, and here in the port we have the next artwork. It's a pumpkin and we can even go inside, so let's try it out. And that's how it looks inside. Hello! We have such a beautiful weather. The sky is clear blue, the water is crystal blue, it's just awesome. Alright guys, so we just arrived here with the ferry on Shodoshima, and Shodoshima is the second largest island in the Seto Island Sea and is one of the first islands born to the godsend, the creation myth of Japan. The name literally means small bean island, which technically refers to the Azuki bean, but today would more fittingly refer to the soybean or olive, as the island has traditionally been producer of soy sauce and is now even better known for its olive plantations. Shodoshima attracts visitors with its Mediterranean atmosphere, offering beaches, resorts, coastal sceneries and a mountainous interior with one of Japan's most celebrated gorges, the Kankei Gorge. The island is also known as the filming location of a popular movie. So we are going to relax on this beautiful island for 2 days and we are waiting now for our transfer to the hotel. Alright guys, a few minutes ago we just arrived here at the hotel, and as you can see that's the hotel, and right down there we have the pool where we are going to swim soon. Right behind it we have some tennis courts, then we have a football court right there, and down there we have again some tennis courts and a golf course, and right there you can see the beautiful sea, and it's just wonderful here and we're going to enjoy the time here. Alright, so in the next days we are going to check out all the places in depth in MCee's video, so stay tuned for that and we'll see you there. So we are now ready, we are going in the swimming pool down there, and we're going to have a swim in the blue water because it's really hot outside. Alright guys, so after this awesome swim session and this incredible sunset, we're heading now to dinner, which is in the restaurant here of the hotel. That was an absolutely awesome day. So if you liked the video, make sure to give this video a thumb up. You also leave us some comments down below, and you don't forget to subscribe to MCee's and to my channel. See you in the next video on MCee's channel. Bye!